I know.
You should be ashamed.
Here, how was your AC?
I don't remember, but according to this, I had a good time because Uncle Kage said he would sue me if I said otherwise.
Just, I guess, flip it over, I guess. Okay.
Think of Michael Jackson, there you go. Now do something silly. Turn on the camera. Drop the bomb.
Quick.
Go cheetah! Go cheetah! Go cheetah! Go cheetah! Go cheetah! Go cheetah! Yeah! Getting on Serengeti! Go cheetah! Go cheetah! Yeah! That's my girl!
Yeah, are you leaving tomorrow?
I am.
Okay, I'm actually going to be out of here tomorrow, so if I don't see you, good seeing you, man.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to drive up with you.
Exactly, you will.
That's what it's starting to look like.
Naive. First time.
Oh, I know what it's for then.
I'll take it unless you're really, really small.
Ready, go!
This is my first time doing this one after that. I already had this one. This one next to that. After that one is holy shit. Damn! Where's my camera at? Holy shit.
It's a husky party.
You know what, Ryan? Where the hell did you get that?
Somebody give that poor guy a leg up.
Hey! Hey!
It's a pool toy! That's fun. Husky's right there.
Yeah, it is. 3 feet tall. Like,
God, it's like we're paparazzi. It seriously is like
get them all in there.
Come on, get the perverted huskies and a fox in there. Over here, guys. Oh, you rock! Thank you.
Over here.
Anthrocon 2010 Dead Dog Party. There is like a major stack of talent back here. I mean, I'm almost embarrassed to play this shit that I play. You guys kick some serious ass.
Rory has played Anthrocon pretty much every year ever, right? And he has torn the house down every year ever, so make some noise for Rory because seriously, I wish that I could kill a convention every year for that many years.
So Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Well, I hope everybody had a really good time. Like I usually want to let everybody know is, if you really enjoy this, when you get home, send a little note to Uncle Kage and KP saying, hey, thanks for the space, because they donate that to us in order to have this. So, you know, send them a little love, say thank you so much, all right? Okay. Now the old guy's going to play for a little bit here, so that means you have no idea what you're going to hear from me, so that's just going to be the way it is, okay? I'm good. Start off with the classics.
Did you give V his hoodie back? You gotta go give it to me, I'll give it back to him. I know you're trying to have fun, but you gotta give him his hoodie back. Or mail it back to him with a note that says, I'm sorry for making it sweaty. Well, you haven't flipped off my camera yet. What? You haven't flipped the camera off yet. Thank you. He's gonna do a flip.
Do you have speakers?
I kinda do. 1 second. Yeah! Woo! Thank you. Here, have this. Awesome.
Okay, that snare's got a fucking 650. Okay, bass instrument, high square.
Actually, writing it in C.
What's that?
You're writing it you gotta write it 6.
Good job.
Just a bit.
Stop that.
I did my best. No promise.
No problem. Either way, you
Okay, you're kind of out of it.
That's the plan. Who are you? I'm gonna do my best. The numbers on the right is just like vacation time.
Yeah, it's the volume.
Yeah, okay.
So what? You're
I'm gonna throw some fucking random chord in right now just to piss you off.